R.I.P. My back foot and me a double OG. Look for Genie and I feel R.I.P. My back foot and me a double OG. I got that one-hitter quitter, that one-hitter quitter, one-hitter quitter, that one-hitter quitter. Find out, fucking teeth knocked out. Find out and get your fucking teeth knocked out. One-hitter quitter, that one-hitter.
You're not in his left side.
That one-hitter quitter. Find out and get your fucking teeth knocked out. Find out and get your fucking teeth knocked out.
Through the door. Actually, because I don't know like any of these songs. Only me and Julia can like dance like this. We have to do it.
What you heard, man? See me in person. You know I'm fly. You know I'm fly. You and girlfriend and all the girlfriends. You know I'm fly. You know I'm fly. You dirty, dirty. You heard me. You know I'm fly. You know I'm fly. Fly as the sky, fly like a birdie. Fly like a birdie. Fly like a birdie.
Okay, next song.
Keep it party on a Sunday afternoon.
Sounds like a fire.
A party, we going to a party. A party, we going to a party.
Don't drink all of it!
Good afternoon. At the tone, Pacific Daylight Time will be...
I just chugged like half of your drink, fucker. What?
Yeah! What?
This is how we spend our boring Saturday
Yeah,
nights.
Saturday night spent singing songs in my car. Fun.
In the parking lot of Pavilion.
Oh yeah. And we drove around and got coffee. Okay, and yet still they don't even know if I
feel like I'm confused.
Yeah. Listen to that thing. What it is. What it is. What it is. You know these songs better than me.
No, that's
Wheezy baby.
Wheezy baby.
I don't know if I know the song. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, yeah, I do.
I don't know this song.
No, it gets to the fire part. The fire man. The fire man. Yeah.